Hey guys, I wanted to share with you what we needed to organize the things for our cat. And so at first, it was quite messy here with her crunchy food and then her soft food and litter. It was just too much going on here. So this was my way to organize those things. And I really love the stackable bins like this. They're very sturdy. This moves out like this, like that. And when you do each side, that's how it fits into each one like this. And otherwise, if you just keep it like this on the inside, that's just going to be your carry-in. Yes, how you carry it like that. But otherwise, it fits in, and so it's sturdy. This isn't going to fall. This is very sturdy. And look what it's holding. It holds 3 things of these litter packages, which is quite heavy, and I haven't had any issue with that. I put 3 here and 3 here usually, and then that's her food that I have for her. So for us, this has been a great organizational answer to our problem. And so if you're looking for something like this to organize your things, whether it be your kids' things or toys or something in your closet, these bins right here have been a great thing for our family.